Assalamualaikum members, उम्मीद है आप लोग सब खैरियत से होंगे. Just wanted to give you an update on the upcoming companies that have basically announced cash dividend in Tadawul. And to do so, you can see the chart in front of my screen. I'll share the link in the description below of this website. As you can see, there are a lot of events happening. So I just wanted to make sure that we go into July from 1st July onward. And right here, when you go onto this website, as I'm going to discuss those companies that have announced cash dividend for the month of July, all you can do is hit Control F and type X slash dividend and just start pressing enter. And then you can see these companies that are going to be Xed in the upcoming week. Uh, these are the companies that will be announced, that have already announced and will be Xed this upcoming week. And if you want to invest in them, all you need to do is to do the profile analysis, do the fundamental analysis, see if you have the extra capital, extra surplus cash that you want to invest in these companies in order to be entitled for the upcoming cash dividend. Here we can see the first company that is announcing the eligibility of the cash dividend is Savik Agri Nutrients, and the details are as follows. As you can see, the X date is on 7th of July. So if you want to be a part of this company's cash dividend entitlement, all you need to do is buy and invest in this company from Monday onwards. In order to see the actual cash dividend that is announced by the company itself, all you will have to do is go on TradingView and type the either name of the company or the symbol of the company if you know about it. So as you can see, the symbol is 2020, and because of the fact that it is soon going to be X and be providing cash entitlement to the investors that are going to invest in it, the stock has already started rallying, and the payment will be made on 22nd of July. As you can see, the details mentioned here. So the cash dividend is of 3 Saudi Riyal, and it has already started to bounce back up on the positive side from after making a low of around 105 Saudi Riyal mark. As you can see here, let me show you. These are the resistance level, support level, and these are the resistance level that it can achieve this upcoming week, and then be X for the cash dividend purpose. So moving forward, again, you type Control F, hit enter. The first company comes up that we have already discussed, Sabik Agri Nutrients. The second company that has already announced the cash dividend, and the eligibility will be from 8 July onwards. The final date will be, as you can see, is Gasco. And if we go and see the stock price of Gasco, you can already see that it has started breaking above from the 90 real and 91 real resistance level. It will definitely bounce back up, and also because of the fact that it has recently announced the increase in gas prices in the country. So obviously that will help in terms of adding further revenue to the company as well, in terms of high gas rate that is being provided in terms of both LPG and other resources. So in terms of stock price, it is going to rally, and the resistance level that I'm eyeing right now is 105 till 109 real, as you can see. So the cash dividend that it has announced is, let's see, the cash dividend it has announced. As you can see, the details are not mentioned here, but we can always come back to TradingView, and on TradingView you can see the symbol D. Once you click on it, you can see that the cash dividend that has been announced is of 1.10 Saudi Riyal. Payment date is on 22nd July, and if you want to be entitled for this cash dividend from Gasco, all you need to do is buy it this upcoming week and invest in it on a long term basis, considering of the fact that Gasco, the stock price is also bound to rally from here till 100 rupee 100 real onwards. So yeah, this concludes the second company that has announced the cash dividend. Let's move on to the next company. Again, we'll do the Control F, and there is a key event of Ion as well. As you can see, they have also announced cash dividend. Let's see how much cash dividend they have already announced. So we'll have to again go on TradingView, type Ion, and see Ion investment have announced a stock split. So it's not a cash dividend. It's basically a stock split, which means the price will be halved, and there will be distribution among the already entitled investors in terms of the price will be halved and the shares will be doubled. So this is the key event, and hence there is no eligibility for the cash dividend. So this is the event of Ayan. And then again we'll go on to the next company. Moving forward to the next company is from 8 July onwards. As we can see, there is the last company that is going to give cash dividend is goes by the name of Akasim, and let's see how much cash dividend it has announced. Again, coming back to trading view, and here we can see it is listed in the Nomu market, Akasim factory for chemicals and plastic, and the dividend it has announced is of 2 real. The payment will be done in August, 1st of August, and the ex date is on 11th of July. So these are the companies that have already announced cash dividend, and they will be crediting the cash dividend to the entitled investors. Again, this was for the month of July. If in coming days, in this week, any other company announces any cash dividend, so we'll see and discuss on that. I just want to make sure if is in any other company. Tomorrow, as you can see, the cash dividend on Monday is will be distributed to the entitled investors of Bari and Sesco. And Sesco, we can see it has recently started rallying again. I have it in my watch list. Saw the manpower solution, as you can see, and it has already announced a cash dividend, which it will credit to the entitled shareholders, as you can see in the list here. So the cash distribution will be made tomorrow to the entitled shareholders of Bari and Sasco, and then from there onwards, we can see the remaining cash dividends of the companies that we have already discussed in this video. So yeah, there are other cash dividend distribution as well of the entitled shareholders of AME, and then we have View Company. Then we have Tanmya that has already announced cash dividend and it will distribute. So these are the companies, the upcoming companies in July that have already announced a cash dividend, and soon they'll be providing cash dividend to the entitled investors. I hope you like this video. Do let me know your feedback and queries, and share any queries if you have further in the WhatsApp group. Thank you so much. Take care.